Hi everyone, this is Josie and I'm here today to share another card in the name of World Cardmaking Day this month. So this time around we've used the Pocketful of Sunshine collection. You will need a piece of card, some Pocketful of Sunshine Ephemera, and 3 pieces of the Cardstock pack. I've picked the yellow, green and blue. You're going to cut the cardstock in strips of 1 centimeter height, like this. And then I've previously cut an acetate circle around 65 millimeters in diameter. I'm going to layer these strips onto the circle, leaving about 5 millimeters to a centimeter gap between them. And then I've done blue, yellow and green, and I'm going to repeat the blue strip at the bottom. Feel free to use any circular shape. You can use another piece of cardstock to make this instead. We just wanted to be a bit extra with the acetate. To cut this acetate shape, I used a metal die, but you could also use any kind of circular or cylinder shape and then trace it and then cut it with the scissors. So here I'm just going to cut around following the circular shape, and then I'm going to use adhesive foam strips and stick these behind the strips to give it a bit of elevation. I'm going to cut the excess. And then I'm going to stick this in the middle of my card. There we go. What I'm going to do now is pick a few ephemera. I've picked these lovely leaves, the bicycle, and some florals. So I'm going to cut this piece in half, and I'm going to use one of the halves to go here on the corner. I've used glue tape roller to tuck these behind my circular shape. And then I've cut this piece as well in half, and I've used both pieces on the other corner. I'm going to use this lovely bicycle to be my focal piece. I've used glue tape roller, and also I'm going to tuck in a foam strip in behind this so that that part of the bicycle matches the height of my circular piece. I then chose 2 florals, one to go up here on this corner. I've also used a little piece of the foam strip to match the height of my circle. And I've finished it off with this little lovely yellow floral to go on top of the bicycle. I chose this sentiment out of the sentiment pack, and I thought I would just cut it a little bit to make it shorter so that it doesn't poke out of the card. And again, I've used the glue tape roller on one half and a piece of adhesive foam to give it the same height as the rest of my pieces. Now this is not in the cover photo, but I decided to use a few of these lovely puffy stickers to enhance these corner clusters. These puffies are so versatile. You can use them in tags or you can use them as puffy little dots like I've used here. And that's it. That's your lovely card. Now I decided to also decorate the envelope just by using a 6x6 paper out of the designer paper pad and sticking it in the inside. I really hope you like this card and that you make it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.